Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chaga coffee, easy method. Start by simmering chaga chunks in water for 30 to 45 minutes to extract the compounds. Strain the liquid and mix 1 part chaga decoction with 1 part brewed coffee, adjusting to taste. Add milk, sweetener, or spices like cinnamon if you like. Serve warm and enjoy a cozy, earthy beverage that complements your morning routine. Gather chaga chunks or powder, filtered water, a saucepan, and a fine mesh strainer. Measure about 1 ounce of chaga chunks or 1 tablespoon of powder per 4 cups of water. Simmer gently to avoid boiling away beneficial compounds. Prepare your brewed coffee separately so you can mix ratios to taste. Keep spices and sweeteners nearby for customization, and transfer extra decoction to a jar for refrigeration and future cups. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes for you. Quick recommendation. I've been using some great leak-proof containers that make meal prep and storing extra chaga decoction super easy, and they pair well with on-the-go coffee routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab them, let me know how you like them. Now let's get back to the video. Place chaga chunks or powder in a saucepan with filtered water and bring to a gentle simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. Keep the heat low and cover partially to reduce evaporation. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer into a jar and discard solids. Brew fresh coffee and combine with the chaga decoction using a ratio you enjoy. Finish with milk, spices, or a sweetener, and serve warm for a comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.